Good evening and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. It was more like showers of blessings as thousands of fans stood in the poor weather for Rubber Salute over the weekend. Night one captivated in both its lineup with heavyweights, Toots and the Maytals, Steel Paws and Sanchez, as well as the stage and time management.
Everybody came to me there we are. And when I open and pull out that chair. Everybody came to me there we are. We're having a party tonight. Yes, where everything will be alright. The black and white, the press on, shut them down. Always an honor to be in Jamaica. You know, this is where we are from originally, and to be here and representing where we are out there as well as here in the world is the best thing. The best thing. Something's wrong. Oh, I can tell. Isn't that someone new?
It's a good look. That's how
There's no doubt.
we need more like this. So, of course.
Because when I was down and I was low and separation was all I know. 3 years I bet you never let go. No, because I'm so you have to love more than you know to sing. Do you believe I'll take something with me and give it to the police?
And the breeze was blowing so hard, but everybody just stand up. I think it's good, you know. I'm feeling good about it because when I come, I just come with all my heart to just do it for him.
We should be united forces of change. The only way we are going to get a liberation. United forces of change. Africa must come together as one. Again, united forces of change. The people they must come together around one. We should be united forces of change. Listen, my people complaining night and day. They wonder why we continue to live this way. But I know that things can change someday if we really want them to change anyway. Africa is a land of abundance. Oh, this is my things to go hyper hands. Now the my people to go hyper my friends. Money that a money fool. She said them a money that a money fool. She said them a money that a money fool. She said them a money that a money fool. Get a car away. Canalo. And the woman for the money that a follow. Rabbit salon, yo, listen. Long time with them for 9 trillion. 2020, you know me and the field. Them say rabbit salon, you have to call me. I got me like a comedy, big up and started.
Fans also reveled in the new Sound Clash segment. Now here, Dynamic Sound International and Black Scorpio were center stage. However, the crowd belonged to the witty and energetic Dynamic. Rebel Salute started as a birthday party for Tony Rebel over 2 decades ago and has grown into Jamaica's biggest festival this time of the year. Another successful staging. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you so much for watching.